Hello friends, today I am gonna show you how to deal with this error. See here, when I declare a default method, then NetBeans is showing me this error that default methods are not supported in source 1.7. Use source 8 or higher to enable default methods. So now we will see how to deal with this error. So first of all, minimize your NetBeans. Go to the go open your browser, download JDK. I think you know the process, the further process how to download a JDK, and don't forget, please download the tar.gz file. Where is the Linux 64 tar.gz file, and extract that tar.gz file. Go to the home folder, paste your extracted file over here, that is JDK 1.8, and this is my previous version of JDK 1.7, and this is JDK 1.8. When you paste your extracted folder JDK 1.8, then simply go to the NetBeans folder. In the same directory, home directory, go to the etc and open this file, netbeans.conf. This file will open with your default text editor. Don't worry if it shows you that you have no permissions. Simply you can do the chmod -r and simply you can do the chmod and give the file suitable the permissions, that is read, write and execute. Replace your previous path with this name actually, because both files JDK 1.7 and 8 are placed at the same directory. So I just replaced my previous path with this path, JDK 1.8. Save the file and close this file, close this folder. Go to the NetBeans, and I think you will see the same error. But don't worry, you can restart NetBeans. Even after restarting the NetBeans, you are seeing the same error. Then simply go to the project folder, right click on that folder, go to the set configuration, then customize, click on sources, and simply select this JDK 7 to JDK 8. Click OK and see the magic. Yes, now you can see your error has been gone from here. So now you can run the file and see the output is here. Thank you so much.